Welcome to Geminiano Cozzi Venezia 1765 showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of our most significant collections. Pure white collections by Geminiano Cozzi Venezia are produced in fine bone china, the top-of-the-range porcelain, more elegant, more translucent, more chip-resistant and lighter compared to traditional porcelain. Milano collection is one of our best sellers, distinguishing itself with the soft shape, the brilliant ivory white color and the extra resistant edge. Milano consists of a wide range of items created for several different types of use, for the professional needs of hotels and restaurants, for banqueting and catering, whilst at the same time suitable for home use. Available in the range are plates measuring 18, 22, 28 and 31 centimeters, all of which are perfectly designed for buffet service, as the bread and butter plate, for example, not too small and not too big, easy to carry on one's hand. Deep soup plates from 22 cm to 26 and 30 cm pasta bowls. To complete the collection are fruit bowls and salad bowls, available in 15 and 44 cm. Oval plates and trays from 15 up to 42 cm. Salt and pepper shakers, a 35 centiliter sauce boat, espresso cups, tea cups and breakfast cups, stackable and non-stackable. The consommé cup, the mug, creamers, teapots are available in 3 different capacities and coffee pots available in 2 sizes. This collection is also characterized by versatile items as the sugar bowl, perfectly suitable as a mousse bouche to be served on the same saucer as the teacup, or the small 15 cm tray designed as a napkin tray, which easily can become a bread plate during service. The particular composition on bone china with 46% of tricalcium phosphate makes this material more elastic compared to traditional porcelain, increasing the chipping resistance by approximately 30%. Bone china is fired at 1300 degrees centigrade. It's synonymous of elegance, translucency, lightweight, brilliance and chip resistance, ideal for all the requirements, both professional and domestic.